Hello and hi everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to create e-content using Articulate 360. Let us see. First go to Google Chrome and type Articulate 360 sign in. Otherwise simply type Articulate 360. Once you have typed, just press enter and you'll see the page like this. In this, choose the first option, that is the first link, Articulate 360. If you have any Articulate ID, you can use it. Otherwise, you can create it with your Gmail account. And I'm going to use mine. In this page, first you have to select the Rise 360, the first one given here. It will take you to the course page. And here already I have created two courses. One is for computer networks and another one is for software testing. Let me show how to create a new course. There are two options, a blank course and template. I'm choosing here a blank course. So here you can type the title of your course. For example, I'm typing here Programming in C. You can give the author name here. If you want to upload your photos or college logo or something else, if you want to add, you can go to settings and do that. You can also give the description of your course. Otherwise you can simply leave it blank, no problem. Just to add a lesson title, tap here. For example, I'm typing Introduction to C. Introduction to C Programming. And don't forget to press the enter key, because once you type the content and if you press the enter key, you could see the button here, add content. Press that. You'll have two options, lesson or quiz. Choose the option lesson. You'll get a page like this, and these are the tools we are going to use. The blocks, you could be able to add text, statement, quote, list, image, gallery, multimedia, chart, tables, everything. First, let me show how to add text. You'll have options, paragraph with heading, subheading, with two columns, tables, everything. And here I'm choosing paragraph. And if you have any contents already available with you and if it is ready with you, you can just simply copy and paste that. Otherwise you can type. Just simply copy and pasting will reduce the burden of your work. So type your content here. Just copy and paste your content. You can also edit the content what you have typed by clicking on the edit button, which is shown in the above. See here, you will have an option edit. If you click this one, you can able to do any changes or modify the things what you have typed. So you can do the changes here and update it. And the same way you can add image, and this is the default image. If you want to change this image, go to edit options, the image link, you'll have an option edit. So edit that one. So you can replace the image with the things if you have already saved it in the system, or otherwise you can upload it from the content library. And the same way you can also add list of items with the numberings and bulletins and everything. If you want to preview your course content, select the preview button. And now the course gets started loading. See here, you'll get the page, Introduction to C Programming and the author and what are the things we typed here, everything will be displayed in this page. And if you want to do some changes or modification, the same way you can edit here also by selecting the edit option here. If everything perfects, and if you want to add some more titles, you can add lesson title. Type here the title. For example, I am typing here C tokens and just press enter once typed. And the same way what we did on the prior, you can follow the same things to add contents. And this is how the e-content can be created by using Articulate 360. Thank you.